Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I'm Chavi Sompura. US hit with record number of flash flood warnings. More than 3,000 flash flood warnings have been issued in the United States so far this year, the highest number on record according to the data from Iowa State University. A total of 3,040 warnings from the National Weather Service went out from January 1st through July 15th, according to the figures compiled by the Iowa Environment Mesonet, which collects the data on precipitation, soil temperature, and other environmental conditions. That's more than any other year during that same time period since 1986, when the modern alert system was adopted. The new record portends a wetter and rainier future that experts say is likely because of climate change. Studies have shown that severe storms and extreme rainfall are both expected to occur more frequently in a warming world. A flash flood warning is issued by the National Weather Service when sudden and dangerous flooding is imminent or occurring. This summer, in particular, has been characterized by intense rainfall and floods. States such as Texas, New Mexico, North Carolina, Illinois, New York, and New Jersey are among those that experienced major flooding events in recent weeks. Earlier this month, the country was hit by at least 4 1-in-1,000-year rainfall events in less than a week. In June, flash floods killed at least 9 people in West Virginia after around 2.5 to 4 inches of rain fell over parts of Ohio County in only 30 minutes. At least 120 people were killed in Central Texas Hill County region in early July after heavy rains caused the Guadalupe River near Caryville to surge more than 20 feet in 90 minutes. Days later, at least 3 people were killed by devastating flash floods in the remote village of Ruidoso in New Mexico. And earlier this week, more than 2 inches of rain fell in single hour over Central Park in New York City, marking the second highest 1-hour rainfall total recorded in Big Apple, according to New York City Emergency Management. The flurry of recent flash floods owes in part to the fact that summer months tend to be some of the stormiest of the year, said Director of Colorado Climate Center at Colorado State University and the state climatologist. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.